Hello everyone, today we will study about human resource. In this chapter we will study about the importance of human being. We human being, we are very important to add values to the natural resource. We human being are a connecting link between resources and development. By using resources, human beings contributes in development of any places. It is only due to human beings that most of the resources are harnessed and utilized. Human resource is treated as a pivotal factor. Pivotal factor means very important factor capable of determining the extent of growth achieved by any countries or region. Thus, resource development is closely associated with human development. So, resource development is closely associated. It is related with human development. In order to enhance means to make better, to increase the quality of human resource. Good education and training for skill development are of vital significance. Apart from food, clothes and shelter. We need food, clothes and shelter. But apart from these three things, another most important thing is education and training for the betterment of the quality of human resource. In India, Human Resource Development HRD Minister has been specifically set up to ensure that our population receives the right education, skills, proper food and health care to equip it for various developmental activities. Distribution and density of population. As we already know, in our world, population is not evenly distributed. Somewhere population is very high, somewhere population is very low. Like North and South America covers 25% of land surface and has 12% of the world's people. Asia, on the other hand, occupies 17% and the population here is more than 50%. Europe, it has a small area but considerably percentage about 10% of the world's total population. In spite of a large area, Africa just have 12% of global population. So you can see population is not evenly distributed. Within the continent also the distribution is unevenly distributed. We find more population in plain area, river valley side as comparing to the population in areas which are covered with snow, arid or mountainous area. Many vast expanses of desert and ice caps are virtually uninhabited while parts of Gangetic Plain is densely populated. Parts of Gangetic Plain, the plain found by the river Ganga, is highly populated region as comparing to the mountainous region. The distribution of population is best understood not just in terms of number of living in a country but in terms of number living in a unit area. So to measure the distribution of population, a proper method is required. A proper way to calculate the population distribution is required. So the density of population, it is one of the method. While the density of population for this world is about 45 people per square kilometer, it rises to as much as 9,294 people per square kilometer in Delhi, over 600 people per square kilometer in parts of the US and less than 1 per square kilometer in Sahara Desert or the Canadian tundra region. So the formula for calculating density of the population is total population divided by total area in square kilometer. We will get people per square kilometer, which is the density of people. So density of population is different in different places. So there are so many factors which affect the density of population. These factors are classified into two types: physical factor and non-physical factor.